Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you the new update from Instagram for your iPhone where you can now animate text in your stories. This feature was only available on the Android phone and I've had many viewers complain why they don't have this option on their iPhone. So here it is. So before you begin, let's make sure your Instagram has been updated. Now let's open the app and let's tap on your profile to post a story. Take a photo or a video, or you can upload it from your own gallery. Now tap on the text icon at the top right. Type in your text. Now to animate your text, you need to tap on the square icon which has two lines and a letter A. Now the text will start to animate. You have a selection of 9 animations which you can select just above the keyboard. Then press done and now you can resize and move the text anywhere you like. Once you're done, then you can post it to your story just like a normal story. And there you go, that is how to animate text on your iPhone Instagram app. Hope you guys found this useful. If you did, please like and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.